They say nothing escapes a black hole, not even light. But what if that isn't the end, but the beginning of something new? In the vast, silent theater of the universe, black holes are the ultimate paradox. They're cosmic monsters born from the death of giant stars. Yet they possess a power so immense it can bend space and time itself. For decades, the story scientists told us was simple and terrifying. Anything that crosses the event horizon, a point of no return, is gone forever. Crushed, destroyed, and lost to an infinite darkness. But what if that story is incomplete? What if we've been looking at it all wrong? New mind-bending theories suggest something far stranger, and in a way, far more beautiful. That inside a black hole, there might not be an end at all. Instead, there could be a doorway, a bridge, or maybe, just maybe, a brand new universe. Let's rewind. When a star many times more massive than our sun runs out of fuel, it collapses under its own immense gravity. It's a cataclysmic event. Atoms are torn apart, space itself twists and warps. Time slows to a near standstill. At the very center of this chaos lies the singularity, a point of supposedly infinite density, where all the known laws of physics simply break down. Everything we understand about reality just stops making sense. But here's where the story takes a turn. What if the singularity isn't a point of ultimate destruction, but a point of creation? Some of the most brilliant physicists today believe that black holes could act like cosmic seeds, birthing entirely new universes from within their depths. To an observer like us on the outside, it looks like a collapse, but from the inside, it could look like a big bang. Just take a moment to imagine that. Every single black hole in our own universe could be the heart of another, separate universe, expanding outward, filled with its own stars, galaxies, and perhaps even its own forms of life. And if that's true, it leads to an even more profound idea. Maybe our own universe was born the same way. From the collapse of a star in another, older cosmos, its death giving birth to our beginning. It's a theory that connects everything in a beautiful cosmic cycle. The end of one reality becomes the start of the next. A grand, repeating dance of destruction and creation, playing out endlessly across the fabric of space-time. That this elegant idea raises a haunting, personal question. What would happen to *U* if you fell into one? Would you be stretched and torn apart until you were nothing but a stream of atoms, as classical physics predicts? Or would you pass through this cosmic doorway reborn on the other side of space and time, into a new universe with new laws, new physics, and maybe, just maybe, another version of yourself? The honest answer is no one knows. Not yet. Even with our most powerful tools, like the Event Horizon Telescope, and our most profound theories, from Einstein's relativity to Hawking's groundbreaking work on radiation, the truth of what lies inside a black hole remains hidden. It's concealed by the very thing that defines it, its impenetrable darkness. But perhaps that's the universe's way of keeping its greatest secret. Because some mysteries aren't meant to be solved with equations and data alone, but with imagination. So tonight, as you look up at the night sky, imagine yourself falling slowly, peacefully into that infinite black. Don't see it as an ending. Don't see it as a void. See it as a doorway to something new. A place where time begins all over again, and where every ending is just the start of another universe. Thanks for joining us on this journey to the edge of understanding. If you enjoyed this and want to explore more of the universe's biggest questions, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next one.